Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. One of my favorite drinks to enjoy on a hot summer day is a refreshing, spicy Blackberry Margarita. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious homemade cocktail. I always make this drink when I have company coming over for a summertime barbecue, and it's always the biggest hit with everybody. There's something so special and so delicious about a homemade margarita. We're going to start by making a spicy blackberry syrup, and that's going to be the base for our cocktail. Combine that with some freshly squeezed lime juice, a good quality tequila, shake it all up with some ice, and then serve in a glass with a sugared rim and blackberry and lime garnish. This drink is so delicious and so fruity. You're gonna love it from the first bite, and it's not too spicy. It has just the right amount. For all the details, don't forget to head on down into that video description box and over to my website. And now let me show you how to make one of my favorite summertime drinks. For our blackberry syrup, we're going to start with about 4.5 to 5 cups of fresh blackberries. You can also use frozen ones for this recipe. We're going to add in 3/4 cups of white granulated sugar. If you want your margarita to be on the sweeter side, you can increase this. I added 3/4 cups. You can add up to 1.5 cups. Pour in a cup of water. And then I'm also going to add in 1 sliced serrano chili. You can add more if you want your margarita to be extra spicy. Bring your saucepan over to the stove top. We're going to start cooking this over medium heat and bring it up to a simmer. After the berries have simmered for about 5 minutes, I'm going to take a potato masher and crush the berries, just kind of breaking them apart. And once I've crushed all my berries, I'm going to continue to simmer this for another 10 to 15 minutes until this mixture starts to thicken up and you have more of like a syrupy blackberry sauce. And don't forget to stir the sauce occasionally. And while we're waiting on that blackberry syrup, we could get started on our lime juice. We need to split up our lime, squeeze out the juice. We'll need 1.5 cups of freshly squeezed juice. And I know that 1.5 cups of lime juice is a lot of limes, but I feel that the freshly squeezed juice really does make a difference. It's really refreshing and zesty, and the canned stuff just doesn't compare. Once my sauce has finished cooking, I'm going to pour it into a fine mesh strainer set over a bowl. And then take the back of your spatula and press all the juices from the seeds. And when you have as much of the berry pulp and all the juices pressed out of the seeds, we can go ahead and discard them. Give this a little whisk and then set this into your freezer or your fridge to cool down. Once that blackberry syrup has cooled down a bit, I'm going to pour it into my margarita pitcher. And I ended up with 2 cups of this incredible syrup. It's gonna add incredible flavor. Pour in that freshly squeezed lime juice. Next, we need 2 cups of tequila. I'm using tequila añejo. You can also use the blanco version. I prefer this one for my drinks. Measure that out. And we'll need 1/2 cup of triple sec. This is a brandy and orange liqueur. And then mix this all together. And that's it. It's super simple. And you could store the margarita just like this in the refrigerator. And then when you're ready to serve it, we're going to shake it up with a little bit of ice. Let's prep our glasses first. You can use any type of glass for serving this margarita. I'm just going to use this one today. I'm going to just moisten the lip of the glass with a little bit of lime juice. And then I have a mixture of sugar and salt. Just dip that in. That looks so pretty. And once you're ready to serve, grab a cocktail shaker, fill it up with a little bit of ice. Pour in some of your margarita mix. Close this up and give it a really good shake. And pour that into your glass. Isn't that the most beautiful color too? Garnish with little toothpicks. And that's it for my spicy blackberry margarita recipe. I love how these turn out because this rich, incredible berry color is so beautiful and perfect for summertime. I also added some sliced chilies into my drink. I do like just a little bit of sugar and salt, so I'm gonna wipe a little bit of that off. Just incredible. I love the flavor here. These aren't too spicy, so if you want a little extra spiciness, add more chilies. But the berry flavor is out of this world. You are going to love this from the very first sip. It's so fruity, it's so rich. It's not a watered down margarita like you would get from like a pre-made can or anything. So incredible. If you are looking for an incredible cocktail to serve this summer, give this margarita a try, and I guarantee you it's going to be a hit with everybody. Thank you so much for watching my latest episode. I hope you enjoy this fantastic cocktail at home, and I'll see you next time with a new recipe.